Solution for this one should be 3/8. The solution for this one should be 5/18. Answer should be 3/4. Does anybody need an explanation on that problem?
Yeah.
All right. The least common multiple between 12 and 3 is 12. 3 goes into 12 and 12 goes into itself. So you're going to use 12, which means you don't have to change this one. It stays 5/12. But to go from 3 to 12, you have to multiply by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. But 9/12 can reduce. 3 goes into both numbers. 3 into 9 3 times, and into 12 4 times. Pick a number from 1 to 20. The winning numbers today are 7 and 18. Flashcards, answer these out loud. Least common multiple between 15 and 6. 30. 9 and 4. 36 is right. 12 and 8. 24. 14 and 4. 28 is right. 8 and 10. 40 is right. Homework check. Homework answers. Check these at your desk. It must be what's on the screen. Here we go. Number 1 is x less than 4. 2 is x greater than or equal to 6. 3 is 6 less than x, or you could also have x greater than 6. Either one would be right. 4 is -1 less than x. You could also have x greater than -1. 5 is x greater than or equal to 9 and less than or equal to 13. 6 is x greater than -3 and less than 23. 7 is x greater than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 8. Number 8 is x less than 5, x greater than 4, or you could also have it this way. Need a smaller marker. You could have 4 less than x and then less than 5. That would count as well. Number 9, x is greater than 2 and less than 3. And 10, x is greater than or equal to -2 and less than or equal to 4. Any questions about the homework problems? Objectives for today. The area of a circle and the specific learning targets. Identify and use the following formula for the area of a circle. Example number 1. The formula is pi r squared. Area equals pi r squared. And in this problem, we know the radius. So start with the formula. The formula is a equals pi r squared. And plug in the radius, which is 6. Simplify 6 squared to get 36. And then multiply 36 by pi to come up with the final answer. That would be 113.10 centimeters squared for area. Example number 2. In this case, we have to find the area of the circle, but we're not given the radius. We're given the diameter. Divide the diameter by 2, yes. So start with the formula, and the diameter is 14. Divide it by 2 to get what? 7. So plug in 7 for the radius, and then simplify 7 squared to get 49. And multiply 49 by pi to come up with 153.94 centimeters squared. Remember that volume is cubed. Area is squared. And any measure of a length is simply just going to be centimeters, meters, inches. There's no exponent written on it. Flashcard, say these answers out loud. The formula for the area of a circle is what? Pi r squared. If D is 24, what is R? 12. A equals pi times what squared? R. Diameter is 16, what is R? A equals something times r squared. Pi. Practice number 1. Find the area of the circle if the radius is 4. Bonus number 1. The solution for this bonus should be negative 33. Here is bonus number 2. The solution for this bonus should be 54. The solution for the practice problem: start with the formula A equals pi r squared and plug in the radius, which is 4, and simplify 4 squared to be 16. And then multiply 16 by pi to get an answer of 50.27 meters squared. Practice number 2. The diameter is 10 inches. Find the area of the circle. Bonus number 3. Solution for this bonus should be 27. Here is bonus 4. The solution for this bonus should be 20. Solution for practice 2. The diameter is 10. Start with the formula A equals pi r squared and then plug in 10, not 10, but what for the radius? 5, yes, 5, and square the 5 to come up with 25. 25 times pi in the calculator will give you 78.54 inches squared. Extra credit number 1. Write this down or snap a picture, whatever you want to do. It's extra money the next time you come in. Example number 3. This time the area is given you, and you must find R. The area is 50 inches squared, so put 50 in for A, but you don't know anything else. Your first move to solve this is to divide the area by pi. 50 divided by pi. And that leaves you with r squared on the right. Now in your calculator, do 50 divided by pi, and you'll get 15.915493 and then 1. And that would be r squared. You have to do one more step to find the answer. And that is to, with that number in your calculator, hit second x squared and then second negative sign, and that will give you the square root of that number, and round that one to the hundredths place, which is 3.99, and the square root of r squared is simply r. And don't forget your measurement. It is in inches. It's not inches squared because it's a measure of the length of this radius, not area or volume. Example number 4. The area is 25 inches squared, so plug in that 25 for A, and now we're going to solve for R. Divide the 25 by pi, and that would leave you with r squared. In your calculator, 25 divided by pi is 7.957747155. Leave that in your calculator and hit second x squared, second negative sign. That will give you the square root. Round that to the hundredths place to get 2.82. Your units will be meters, and all of that equals R. Flashcards, answer these out loud. If R is 6 inches, A will be measured in inches, inches squared, or inches cubed?
Inches squared.
Inches squared. Diameter is 2 times what?
Radius.
The radius. Yes, diameter equals 2 times the radius. R equals the square root of something over pi. Area. R equals 4 meters. What is diameter?
8 meters.
8, yes. A equals pi times something squared.
R.
R is right. Practice problem number 3. Area is 45 meters squared. Find R. Bonus number 5. The bonus should be 137. Here is bonus number 6. For this bonus problem, it should be a negative 5 squared and then times 1 minus the quantity of negative 5 plus 1. So this is 25 times 1 minus a negative 4. 25 times 1 is 25, and this changes to plus. So it should be 29. Solution for practice 3. Start with the formula. A equals pi r squared, and the area is 45. We don't know anything else. So divide the 45 by pi and be left with r squared on the right side. 45 divided by pi is 14.3239448, and that's equal to r squared. Leave that in your calculator and hit second x squared, second negative sign, and hit enter. 3.78 meters is the value for R. Practice number 4. Area is 60 centimeters squared. You have to find the value of R. Bonus number 7. The answer to this bonus should be 96. Here's another bonus, number 8. The solution on this bonus should be 37. Alright, solution for practice number 4. Area equals 60 centimeters, find R. A equals pi r squared. 60 is A. And now we must divide 60 by pi and be left with r squared on the right. 60 divided by pi is 19.09859,317, and that's equal to r squared. To find the answer for r, find the square root, and that would be 4.37 centimeters. Extra credit number 2. Write this down or snap a picture if you want extra money, and on some days it could be extra points. Ohio graduation test practice problem of the day. The number of hamburgers sold at a local restaurant varies inversely with the price that is charged. The number N of hamburgers sold at a price P in dollars can be found using the formula N equals 564.5 over P. Approximately how many hamburgers did the restaurant sell if the price of the hamburgers was $3? A, B, C, or D, block letters and drop it off on the table up here. The formula is this, and if the price is 3, you plug it into the bottom of the formula. And when you plug it into the bottom of the formula, it's 564.5 divided by 3, and that means N is approximately equal to 188, which is B.